start again. It's a red skin.
Hello there for our beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to properly use a feminine wipe. Now this question was asked by a subscriber here who asked on my, I think it was the honey pot wipes video. She asked, how do you properly use, or how do you use a feminine wipe? And you guys, I thought that was like the perfect question. Before I continue, I just want to say that there is no type of judgment here on my channel. I feel like I like to inform you guys and to educate you guys, and for us to educate one another and to learn from one another. And so that is a question that a lot of women have, a lot of young ladies, a lot of women have, is how do you properly use a wipe? You know, what areas do you wipe? How do you do it? And so I felt like, because I do talk about other feminine care, if you don't know, yes, I talk about beauty, we talk about skincare, but I'm also very passionate about feminine care, as well as what we do with our wombs and how we care, what we use during, you know, those times, what we use during our menstrual cycles and all of that. So I have a full playlist on, you know, tampons, pads, wipes, cleansers, all about that. And I think that it's very, very important to just be very cautious and to know as a woman how to properly care for yourself. So let's go ahead and let's jump into this. So we're going to pretty much get into how you properly cleanse yourself using a feminine wipe. I'm going to try my best to use my hand to display this for you guys, but it's going to be quick, promise. So one of the wipes that we're going to use is the Down There Good wipes. You guys haven't seen my review on this, I will leave it above, down below. I have a full review on these wipes. So pretty much what you would do with your wipe, okay? And we are going to use our hand as best as possible when it comes to displaying this, all right? So this is going to be the top part of your lady bits, okay? We're gonna make this the lip of the lady bits, okay? The lips, top part, lips. We're gonna try to make this as we can. So first thing first, you know how when you wipe yourself after you use the restroom, that's exactly what you want to do first. So, or that's pretty much like how I do it, okay? So you know how you would wipe after you use the restroom? You want to take your wipe and you want to wipe, okay? You don't have to do it hard, you don't have to do a lot, just wipe, okay? After you wipe, and I feel like this is very important because this is an area that a lot of women forget, okay? Lip area, right? Lip area here. You want to wipe between the lips, okay? You want to get in there and you want to clean out between the lips, all right? Between the lips. So you want to wipe your area, you know, from front to back, from front to back, not front to back, from back to front, because you know you never want to wipe the other way. You always want to wipe forward, okay? So I guess front to back, whatever. You want to wipe forward, okay? So you want to wipe, and then you want to clean those inner lips and the folds, okay? And then also, if you want to, sometimes I do it as well, I usually go onto the inner part of the leg around the outer lip. So you know, like where your bikini line comes in, I will go in on the side of the lips, and I will also clean as well. And that's it, okay? There is no taking of the wipe and shoving it inside of your lady bits. Don't do that. Wipes are strictly for just cleaning the outer parts. Now, I do want to say cleaning the inner lip is very important, and that's not just with a wipe, but that is in general feminine care. You want to get into that inner lip. And the reason why is because there's a lot of buildup that can get into that inner lip, and I'm trying to keep this as easy on the ears as possible, but there's a lot of buildup that can happen in that inner lip. And I'm a waxer, so I've seen it where I've had women get on my table, you peel back the lip to wax it, and you see all that stuff that's in there. That's not what's supposed to be in there. So properly cleansing yourself, as well as in the shower, taking your washcloth and doing that same thing of cleaning inside of the lips. Whenever you need to clean yourself with a wipe, inside of the lips, okay? That is it. There is no shoving anything inside, and you can clean up around the lips, top part of your vagina, and just wipe like you would if you were using the restroom. Okay, hopefully that was helpful to you guys out there. And I was trying to be as like PG with it, but being very direct and very clear for you guys to understand. But once again, if you guys have any questions, always ask. Don't feel weirded out or like it's a stupid question or it's embarrassing. No, I am here, no judgment, to help you guys. Like, this is what we do. And not just me, but I also have a lot of people, that a lot of informed beauties out there that are in the community. They also chime in and they also help out, and they also give you tips when it comes to skincare and all that. So feel free to ask questions. Don't be embarrassed, not at all. This is not the place for any of that. This is a place for you to learn, and the more you know, the better. Okay, don't walk around not knowing and just guessing. No, that's not smart. Smart is asking the questions, the hard questions, and getting those answers and looking for those answers. So thank you so much for the girl, I can't remember her name, but thank you so much for that question. It was an amazing question, and hopefully this video was very helpful for you, and also anyone out there who has possibly been like, I don't know if I should ask that, or maybe they're just not comfortable asking those questions. That's what I am here for. But with that being said, you guys, make sure to go and check out that playlist of my feminine care. I will have it above, down below. And if you have also any other good videos for me to do about feminine care, let me know down below. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.